Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial for you guys. As you can see, I already did my brows, so all I gotta do is jump right into the rest of it. But before I do that, I want to tell you guys about this necklace that I'm wearing and where I got it from. So this necklace is from Luisa, and I really like it because it has my zodiac sign on it. I was laughing right before I start this video just because my zodiac sign is a crab because I'm a Cancer. And I'm laughing because, if anybody knows me, I love crabs so much. So I was like, maybe that's why I like crabs so much, because my zodiac sign is a crab. I mean, this is something I know a long time that is a crab, but I never put it like that where I like crabs so much. But anyway, so on this one I have like a little rhinestone on it, and I really like it. It looks so cute, so sophisticated, like a really nice dinner out, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on and let you guys see it. But I think this may be my favorite. The other two, they're cute, and the third one, which I haven't showed you yet, is really cute too. But definitely look at that. It is so nice. The link for their website will be down in the description box, and you could also get a discount using my discount code, of course. That is right here, because I like to get you guys your discounts. So this one that I'm wearing right now is called Cancer, which I really love, like I said before. Here is the second one, and this one is called Elise Pendant. And another thing I should mention about these necklaces, the length is 16 inches plus 2, which means that you could extend it by 2 inches. Me personally, I like it to be 16 inches, so that's where I'm wearing it right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and try on the third one, which is this one right here. That is so cute. Let me see if I could stop it from shaking. There we go. So the name of this one is called Lipstick Necklace. So if you're looking for it on their website, that's the name of it. And all three of them is 16 inches plus 2. And like I said, I keep mine at 16 inches because my neck is small and I don't want it, too far down. I absolutely recommend checking out Luisa because they have sustainable jewelry, and if you use my discount code, you will get 10% off, so why not? And also, I should mention, guys, that their pieces starts at $39, only $39. So definitely head on over there and grab yourself something because you deserve it. So for the remainder of the video, I'm going to be keeping this one on because, like I said, it's my favorite one of them all. Alright, with all that said, I'm going to go ahead and start off with my eyelids, and I'm going to be using my Tarte concealer on it. So I'm going to go ahead and just swipe it on like that. And then I'm going to use my wet sponge to blend it out. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my Sashka setting powder to set that. Today for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using these two palettes. One is from Blend Bunny and the other is from Juvia's Place. I will open them momentarily and show you what I'm using from which one. Inside of this one, which is the Blend Bunny Cosmetic palette, I'm going to be using these greens right here. 1, 2, and some of this one. For the look I'm going for, I should probably start off with the darker one, but we'll see. I'm gonna start off with the lighter shade, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply it up here for my transition in color, like so. Now I'm gonna go with the green in the middle. This one And I'm using a smaller brush this time because I want to have more control over it. And I'm just going to place it right here in the middle and blend it. And here I'm dipping back into the first color and just blend it in some more right here with the second one. Now I'm gonna go in for this dark one right here, and I'm gonna use a different brush. This one is more flat because I just want to pack it on there, not really blending just yet. Now I'm gonna go back on with the shade from the middle and apply it right where the second shade meets the last one. And this is what we're working with so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some eyeliner, put my lashes on, and then I will be back. So guys, I already put my lashes on, but remember I picked up this palette with the other one. I forgot that I was using a shade from this one, and the one I'm gonna be using is this green one right here. I'm still gonna put it on even though I have my lashes on. So I'm just gonna, I would use my finger, but my fingers have nails on it. It's just gonna make it kind of harder for me. So I'm gonna use this flat brush right here, and I'm gonna put it on it, like just swipe it on like that, and just swipe it on my lid. So I don't know if it's me or what, but I feel like it's not shiny, glittery like I was expecting it to be, but it's okay. It still looks good. Anyway, I'm gonna move on to face, and I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face using my NYX primer right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pump some on my face like so. Now I'm gonna go in with my foundation, and the one I'm gonna be using today is this one from L'Oreal Paris. So I usually like to put it on the back of my hand, then transfer it from there to my face using my blending sponge. Now I'm gonna go in with concealer, and this one is the same one that I used earlier on my lids. And I'm gonna use my wet sponge to blend it out. And I'm gonna go ahead and set that again using my setting powder. And before putting it on my face, after dipping my sponge in the powder, I kind of press it onto my hand, you know, just to push it in some, so I don't have too much going on my face. And what I usually like to do is I like to just go over my entire face with the sponge after I, use it where I want it. Just the remainder of whatever is on the sponge go over my entire face like so. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some bronzer, and the one I'm using is this one from Morphe, and this is what it looks like on the inside. And I like to just dab it off, as you see me doing here, before applying it onto my face, because I don't want to apply too much at once. Now I'm gonna go in with my MAC Skin Finish powder and apply this all over my face using a face brush. This is like a big fluffy face brush. That's what I'm gonna be using. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some blush. This one is from Il Makiage. And I'm just gonna dab it on like so and blend it up into my concealer. Now I'm gonna go in with my ABH eyeliner. So this is where I'm gonna apply it, on the tip of my nose right there. Wow, look at that. Love it. On my nose bridge. I'm also gonna apply some under my brow right here, on my brow bone. I'm gonna go into my tear duct with it also. And I'm gonna use my fan brush to apply some onto my cheekbone right here. Wow. Y'all see that? I really love this highlighter. It's really nice. Now I'm gonna line my lip using my Il Makiage lip liner. The way my lip is looking right now, I really don't need no lipstick, but I'm gonna use this one from NYX. Now I'm gonna set my face using my setting spray from Maven Beauty. And now I'm gonna go change into something different, and I will be right back. So here we are, guys, all done. I'm feeling cute. I'm really feeling this green eyeshadow. I'm so happy I went with it. I really like the lip color that I went with also. I feel like it's going good with it. It's you know, a little hint of burgundy and pink, and I feel like it looks really nice with this eyeshadow. But anyway guys, you know already that I want your opinion on this look. I want to know what you think about it, so definitely make sure you leave your comment down below because I would love to see it. Make sure you go check out Ana Luisa for one of these necklaces because I know you're gonna like it. Remember, the link for their website is in my description box. Also, you could get a 10% discount using my code. If you have any questions, drop them down below. I will get back to them as soon as I possibly can. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.